Hey loves, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. It's been a while, but I ain't gonna do that much talking, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so today we're gonna be stuffing $850 into my bills binder, cash envelopes, high priority, and my low priority envelopes. So first, we're gonna start by counting this money. All right, so we have 100, 200, 300, 100, 400, 100, 500, 100, 600. Hold this 50. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 850. All right, so first up, we're gonna be stuffing my bills binder, and we gotta pay my car loan and my credit off. So this check was an extra check because I get paid twice a week, but I got 3 paychecks this month. So I'm using this extra paycheck to pay extra towards my bills, like my car loan, and extra on my credit card because I've already paid my main bills for this month. So I'm gonna just put an extra $100 towards my car loan and an extra $200 towards my credit card. Okay, so let's go to car loan. And I'm not gonna count what's in this envelope. I'm gonna just stuff it in there. This is just the bill I pay. It's not like I'm saving up. Okay, and next up, we're gonna pay my credit. And I'm gonna just stuff this in here too. $200. Okay, that's it for my bills binder. Let's move on to my cash envelope. All right, y'all. Look at this wallet. I've been rocking this wallet for like a year now, and it's so dingy. I got this wallet from Steph Talks Money, and I really need to buy me another one. But let's get these cash envelopes out of here. It's a little junky. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, so I do have money in here still, and these are really old, like 2 years old, and I need a new wallet and I need new cash envelopes. But we do have money still left in gas, and I'm gonna just roll this over. So gas will be getting $100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. And let me just add this money in there, and we're gonna count this. So gas now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. So 140 in gas. And that's enough to get me by for 2 weeks. Okay, toiletries and my food. I lost my food envelope, so I'm just combining my food and my toiletries in one envelope. That's why I need new ones. But this one is toiletries, and toiletries is getting 50. And I'm rolling this money over too. So toiletries now has $50, $75. Yeah, that's raggedy. And food is also getting 50. And food has 50, 20. I just said 50, 20. $50, $75 in it also. And I could tell because I put toiletries in the correct way, and then my food, I just stick it in there the other way, like this. Okay, that's it for my cash envelopes. Let's move on to my high priority binder. Okay, this is my high priority binder, and today we're gonna be stuffing all of the envelopes I think that's in here. I think I only have 3, yep. Okay, so furniture will be getting $50. And I actually need to take some money out because I bought me 2 lamps for my nightstand. So and that was about $70. But in furniture we now have 50, 100, 5, 10. So 110. Okay, moving on, car maintenance will be getting 100. Oh wait, I just closed it back. So 51. Okay, so car maintenance now has 50, 100, 55, 65, 75, 80. So car maintenance now has 180. Okay, moving on, emergency. An emergency is getting 100 because I haven't stuffed these envelopes in months. So it's about time for them to get some money. And it's getting $100. So emergency now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 600, 25, 35, 45, 50. So we got 650 in emergency now. And I need to do an unstuffing and take some of these larger bills to the bank. Okay, moving on to my low priority fund. It's the last sinking fund we will be stuffing today. Okay, I believe everything will be getting stuffed except for my challenges envelope. So starting with health. And y'all, don't talk about me. I got my credit cards in here because I've been using them too much and I'm hiding them for myself in this envelope. So that's why they're in there. So health will be getting $20. So health now has 50, 100, 25, 35. Y'all, them kids loud. It sound like my window open, but it's not. Okay, moving on to outings. Outings is getting 20. So outings now has 120 in it. Ariel will be getting 20 also. So Ariel now has $50, $70. Business will be getting 20 as well. Oops. Okay, business now has $20, $40. And last but not least, miscellaneous will be getting my last 20. And miscellaneous now has $20. And that is it. I thank you guys so much for coming back, watching my video. I miss doing this so much. I love cash stuffing. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.
This is my regular. I'm talking